Tired of drowning in repetitive tasks? Let's dissect Langflow, Flowise, and N8N to find the ultimate automation champion that will rescue your workflow. First up, Langflow. Think Lego bricks for AI workflows. It's super visual. You simply drag and drop components like language models, data connectors, and logic gates onto a canvas. Next, Flowise. Similar to Langflow, it also offers a visual, node-based approach. However, Flowise boasts an extensive library of pre-built integrations, making connecting to various services a breeze. Finally, N8N, it's the powerhouse of the bunch. While it has a visual interface, it's best suited for users comfortable with some coding. N8N unlocks maximum customization and control. Langflow excels in ease of use. Flowise wins on integrations. N8N is the winner for the most power and control. Its pricing is the most flexible. So, which tool reigns supreme? It depends on your needs. If you need AI-specific and easy workflow, use Langflow. For general-purpose workflow and integrations, try Flowise. For total control, go with N8N. Subscribe for in-depth tutorials on each one.